Planning and writing a historical recount. Hi everyone, and welcome to Week 5 English Lessons. This week you are going to plan and write a historical recount from the perspective of a child convict. In today's lesson, you are going to start planning your recount. This is the planning sheet you are going to be using. In this video, I will be modeling for you how to fill this out. Step 1. Planning. Today I'm going to be answering the questions on the first page only. These are highlighted in yellow. When I answer these questions, I will be writing as much information down as I can, as this will help me when it comes to writing my recount. I am also going to be using some of the sentence starters in my planning. They are at the bottom of your planning sheet, highlighted in blue. This is my child convict profile I have chosen to write my recount on. You will also need to choose a child convict profile. You have 2 profiles to choose from on your planning sheet. This is what mine says. Convict girl, aged 10 years. Caught stealing on the streets of London, transported to Australia, below deck on board a First Fleet ship. Heard the noise of her ship colliding with another ship, had sores on her legs from leg irons that had been used when first taken on board, went ashore at Port Jackson. In this video, you will see and hear my responses to each question on the first page. I did handwrite my answers using a pen on my iPad. As you can see, it is a bit wonky, but I did try my best to keep it neat for you. Question 1. Name the character. My name is Annie Turner. Question 2. Where you were born and age. I am 10 years old. I was born in London in 1778. Question 3. What event happened in London, England? Early one morning in 1788, I was caught stealing food on the streets of London. I stole a loaf of bread because I was so abandoned. I had not eaten in days and I had no money. The smell of freshly baked bread was too hard to resist. I was taken to Chester Jail. Question 4. How did you feel about this event? I was scared as I did not know what to expect when I arrived at the jail. Question 5. What was it like in jail? The jail was gloomy, smelly and crowded. They kept us in a small brick cell with rusty iron bars covering the windows. I felt miserable, frightened and alone. Question 6. What did you say to other people in jail? I spoke to a young boy who was crouched in the corner. He told me that he got caught stealing some sawney from a street stall a few days ago. I asked him what happens next. He replied, "You get taken to see a judge, and then he will hand down your punishment." Yes, you may have noticed there is no speech marks after punishment. Oops, Miss McClure forgot to put them in.